In the shadows of our reality, whisperings of hidden truths echo. Welcome, dear listener, to an exploration of the unseen, a journey through veiled mysteries and enigmatic phenomena. Our world as we know it is filled with the familiar, the known. But what about the unknown? Consider the giant ring around the sun, an ethereal halo that has captured the imagination of millions. It's a spectacle that demands attention, a celestial phenomenon that paints the sky with an otherworldly glow. Is it merely a natural occurrence, a play of light and atmospheric particles? Or is there more to this giant ring than meets the eye? Could it be a sign, a symbol, or even a message from extraterrestrial entities? Theories abound, each more fascinating and perplexing than the last. Then there are the chemtrails, those wispy trails left by planes that crisscross our skies. To some they are nothing more than harmless vapor trails, the benign aftermath of jet engines. Yet others see a sinister plot, a covert operation to manipulate weather patterns, control minds, or worse. Are these fears grounded in fact, or are they the product of overactive imaginations? These questions bring us to the edge of the unknown, to the precipice of uncertainty. We stand at the threshold of a labyrinth, ready to delve into mysteries that have captivated and confounded humanity for decades. The giant ring, the chemtrails, they are threads in a complex tapestry of conspiracy and intrigue, and it's our task to unravel this tapestry, to separate fact from fiction and uncover the truth that lies beneath the surface. As we embark on this journey, remember, truth is often stranger than fiction. The world is full of mysteries, and it's up to us to uncover them. So, let's step into the shadows, let's lift the unseen veil, and let's venture into the unknown. After all, the truth is out there, waiting to be discovered. Have you ever noticed an enormous ring encircling the sun? It's a sight that's both awe-inspiring and somewhat unsettling, a celestial halo that appears out of nowhere, wrapping the sun in its spectral embrace. The phenomenon has been the subject of much debate and speculation, with explanations ranging from the scientific to the downright surreal. Scientists, ever the pragmatists, attribute this giant ring to an effect known as atmospheric refraction, where sunlight passing through the Earth's atmosphere is bent and scattered, creating a circular rainbow effect. But here's the thing. These explanations, while scientifically sound, struggle to account for all the observed characteristics of this phenomenon. The ring is sometimes too large, too bright, or simply too different from the textbook descriptions of atmospheric refraction. This gap in understanding, this chasm between observation and explanation, is fertile ground for conspiracy theories. Some suggest that the ring is a byproduct of secret geoengineering projects, a visible side effect of clandestine attempts to manipulate the Earth's climate. Others propose a more otherworldly origin, hinting at extraterrestrial involvement. They argue that the ring is a portal, a gateway for alien crafts, or even a cosmic warning sign from advanced civilizations. The truth, as it often does, lies shrouded in mystery. Despite the reassuring words of scientists and the wild conjectures of conspiracy theorists, we're left with more questions than answers. Why does this giant ring appear so randomly, so unexpectedly? Why does it defy the rules of atmospheric refraction? And most importantly, why can't science provide a definitive, irrefutable explanation for this phenomenon? The giant ring around the sun remains an enigma, a celestial riddle waiting to be solved. But as we delve deeper into the unknown, one can't help but wonder, could our scientists be wrong, or are they hiding something? Direct your gaze towards the sky, see the enduring trails left by aircraft. Are these ordinary contrails or something more ominous? Let's dive into the heated discussion surrounding chemtrails. You might ask, what exactly are chemtrails? Allegedly, they are persistent trails left by high-flying aircraft, filled with chemical or biological agents intentionally sprayed for undisclosed, often sinister reasons. This theory emerged in the mid-90s and has been a topic of fiery debate ever since. Some people are persuaded that these trails are part of a clandestine geoengineering operation, designed to control weather patterns or modify the environment in some way. In a more intriguing twist, they're also considered as a potential cover-up for the ring around the sun. But from another angle, scientists and atmospheric phenomena experts argue that these trails are merely contrails, condensed water trails. They explain that contrails are formed when hot jet exhaust rapidly cools in the colder upper atmosphere, causing water vapor to condense into visible ice crystals. They maintain that the persistence and spread of these contrails hinge on atmospheric conditions and are not indicative of any malevolent activity. They argue if the government were distributing chemicals, it would be at a lower altitude where the substances would be more likely to reach the ground. But for every scientific explanation, there's a counterclaim. Tales of unmarked aircraft, peculiar flight patterns, and statements from alleged whistleblowers keep the chemtrail theory alive. And yet, despite the relentless debate, no irrefutable proof has been presented to back up the chemtrail theory. No smoking gun, no leaked documents, no validated confessions, just a host of questions, conjectures, and a sky filled with trails. So, whilst we observe the sky, we inevitably ask ourselves, are we being sprayed? Or is it possible that our fears and suspicions are merely distorting our perception, making us see shadows where there are only clouds? Is the sun's ring being masked by these trails? Only time and perhaps the truth will reveal the answers. As we ponder the mysteries of the sky, dire prophecies of impending doom echo in the background. These predictions, both ancient and modern, paint a picture of catastrophic events, foretelling the end of the world as we know it. Some point towards the mid-20s, others to the dawn of the 30s. But what makes these prophecies particularly intriguing is their eerie alignment with the appearance of the giant ring and the rise in chemtrail sightings. Let's journey back to the ancient civilizations where prophecies were an integral part of culture and spirituality. The Mayans, for instance, were known for their intricate calendar systems, with some interpretations suggesting an apocalyptic event around the mid-20s. The Hopi tribe, renowned for their prophetic visions, warned of a great purification correlated with celestial phenomena. Fast forward to today, we find a new breed of seers, the conspiracy theorists. They too predict a cataclysmic event, but their prophecies are anchored in modern phenomena. They point towards the giant ring and chemtrails as harbingers of the end times, and while their theories might be dismissed as paranoia, we can't ignore the chilling synchronicity. The giant ring, a surreal spectacle in our skies, appeared around the same time these modern-day prophecies predicted a major event. Then there are the chemtrails, those mystifying streaks in the sky that some believe are part of a covert geoengineering operation. Their increased sightings seem to coincide with the proposed timeline of these prophecies. And so, we find ourselves at a crossroads of prediction and paranoia. On one hand, we have ancient prophecies and modern theories all pointing towards a catastrophic event in the near future. On the other, we have unusual phenomena like the giant ring and chemtrails that seem to corroborate these predictions. Are these prophecies mere coincidences or do they hold a grain of truth? Only time will tell. But as we delve deeper into these mysteries, we must keep our minds open, our eyes peeled, and our skepticism intact. After all, the truth is often stranger than fiction. In the labyrinth of conspiracy, every thread of evidence leads us deeper into uncertainty. The giant ring, the chemtrails, the prophecies, all seemingly disparate, yet when viewed through the lens of skepticism, begin to form an intriguing tapestry. Could it be that these phenomena are not isolated but interconnected pieces of a grand, elaborate puzzle? The giant ring, a celestial signpost, pointing to the clandestine activities of chemtrail operations. The chemtrails, a physical manifestation of the hidden machinations that may be steering us towards a prophesied catastrophe. The prophecies, a chilling forewarning of the consequences we face, should the web of deceit remain unbroken. Theories abound, each more speculative than the last. Some suggest alliances between governments, corporations, and shadowy organizations, all working in concert to manipulate the world stage. As we delve deeper, the lines between reality and conspiracy blur. As we emerge from the shadows of conspiracy, we're left with more questions than answers. This journey through mysteries and uncertainties has led us to unexpected revelations, each more alarming than the last. The giant ring around the sun, the chemtrails, the prophecies of doom, are they all part of a grand, sinister plot, or merely coincidences amplified by our own fears and insecurities? The implications of these potential truths are staggering. If these theories hold water, we're looking at a world where our skies are not our own, where our future may be predetermined, where the very fabric of our reality could be manipulated by unseen forces. The psychological toll of such revelations is immense, shattering trust and breeding paranoia. Yet despite the dread and confusion, there's a glimmer of hope. For in our quest for truth, we've shown resilience and critical thinking. We've challenged the status quo and sought answers. Remember, the quest for truth doesn't end here, it's just the beginning. If you enjoyed this journey into the shadows, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Our journey into the unknown, the unexplained, and the outright eerie continues. If you found this exploration of the sky graffiti, secret operations, and prophesied paranoia interesting, then give us a like. Your support fuels our investigation into these mysteries, and if you're as intrigued as we are by these questions, consider subscribing to our channel. We delve deeper, question harder, and seek the truth with an unyielding spirit. There's more to come, more secrets to uncover, more mysteries to unravel. By subscribing, you become a part of this pursuit, this quest for truth. So join us in our journey and let's uncover the hidden truths together. Thanks for watching, and remember, the truth is out there. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day.